in Babuji, which is in London's West End, near Chinatown. It's a lovely atmosphere in here, and we're really looking forward to some grilled meat.
We're going to make some watermelon lemonade that I'm sampling right now. Taste is it's really got that hold on, excuse me, yeah. Hello, yeah, been so busy, just like manic, non-stop. I'm chained to my desk, chained to it. I'd say, Garçon, can I get some more?
Okay, yes guys, here we are, Fire and Stone, #1 place in London for international pizzas. But there's pizzas from all around the world, including cities like New York, Melbourne, and indeed London. Let's check it out. So, as you can see, the camembert, the starter has arrived. It comes with apple and bread. Never had apple with camembert before, but I'm more than happy to give it a go, so I'm going to tuck in. So I've gone for the Acapulco pizza, which as you can see has creme fraiche, guacamole, some jalapenos as well as some spicy beef. So really looking forward to it. Let's tuck in. Okay, so just finished my Acapulco pizza. Must say, very, very flavoursome. Good spread of meat, good distribution on the base. Crust was slightly crusty for my liking, but overall I'd give it a good 7 out of 10. Just finishing Fire and Stone, very good baked camembert, very, very good pizza. Gave it a 7 out of 10 in the restaurant. Hindsight, probably give it an 8 out of 10. Most importantly all, very, very good atmosphere, and of course, very good company in Crunter. Cheers guys.